Fill in the multiplication tables. Look for shortcuts to help you. So first we're going to look at problem number 1. So let's go ahead and do 1 times 3. So 1 times 3 we know is 3. So go ahead and trace that. Then you're going to do 2 times 3. We know that 2 times 3 is 6. Next we're going to do 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And next we're going to do 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. If you notice, they are doing some skip counting here. So 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12 all has 3 in between. Let's go ahead and move over to number 2. So if you're looking at number 2, you want to do 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then you're going to do 4 times 4, which is 16. Then you're going to do 6 times 4, which is 24. And then 8 times 4, which is 32. If you look again at this one, you're going to notice that in between each of these is the difference of 8. So moving on to number 3, we have 3 times 5, which is 15, 6 times 5, which is 30, 9 times 5, which is 45, and 10 times 5, which is 50. On to question number 4, we have 1 times 6, which is 6, 2 times 6, which is 12. We have 3 times 6, which is 18. And we have 5 times 6, which is going to be 30. Moving on to question number 5, let's do 1 times 7, which is 7. 3 times 7, which is 21. We have 4 times 7, which is 28. And then you also have 7 times 7, which is 49. And let's do number 6. We're going to go backwards. That way you know that you can complete these in any order. You don't have to go straight forward. So let's do 10 times 10, which we know is 100. 8 times 10 is 80. 4 times 10 is 40. And 2 times 10 is 20. Alright, let's go ahead and start on number 7. So looking at this, it looks like we need to read the problem first, underline any important information, and then start the problem. So let's go ahead and read it. Ms. Smith bought 26 notebooks for her class. Notebooks come in packs of 5 and packs of 3. What are 2 different combinations of notebooks she might have bought? Explain how you found your answer. So looking at this, I know that I need to have 26 as my final number. Also, notebooks come in packs of 5, and they also come in packs of 3. Finally, I need to know that I need 2 different answers. So make sure that you have 2 different answers at the end of this. After I have that, I need to explain my answer. So let's go ahead and begin this problem. The first thing that I would do is list all of the different multiples of each number of 5 and then of 3 that are adding up to 26 but not over 26. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I also have 25. Then I would list the multiples of 3. I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. I also have 24. You only need to list ones that are between 1 and 26 because you don't want to go over the number 26. Now I need to figure out by adding up one number from the 5s column and one number from the 3s column of multiples, I need to figure out which ones add up to 26. So this is kind of a guess and check. So I could do 5 plus 8, or 5 plus 3, which equals 8. That's not going to be 26. I could do 5 plus 6, which equals 11. Nope, not there. I could do 5 plus 9. Nope, not 26. 5 plus 12. No. 5 plus 15 is only 20. 5 plus 18 is not it. 5 plus 21. Oh, if you think about that, that is going to equal 26. Now I'm going to need to pick some of these other numbers to check. So I could think of which numbers I know are going to equal 26. And right away I can see 20 plus 6 equals 26. After you have found your matches, go ahead and explain your answer. How I would explain this is that I wrote down the different multiples of both 5 and of 3 and looked for numbers that matched up to 26. That should do it for your math homework tonight. If you have any questions, let me know and I'd be happy to help you.